Hello. We're in Ireland.
Welcome.
Welcome to Ireland. Welcome to Ireland. I don't think that's how you say it, but that's as best I can get. We didn't film at all on the way here. I'm turning 30 in like 3 days.
Damn! Oh my goodness.
So we decided to take a trip, and we kind of just threw a dart at a map, and we're at St. Patrick's Cathedral.
We have literally like barely anything planned for this trip.
Almost nothing planned. We're just kind of taking in a little bit of Dublin, doing a little walking tour before we hit the road. We rented a car, and we're about to travel and see what we see, I guess. Kind of nervous about driving. I don't like driving on the right or steering on the right and driving on the left. Not cool.
That was weird. It's been weird.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's a little nerve-wracking.
Where are we, Alan?
We just got to Blarney Castle. We did just drive from Dublin to almost to Cork, Ireland. I'll show you the map somewhere. And now we're at Blarney Castle, which is a famous part of Ireland. We don't really know why. We're reading the things that tell you what about it. I'll show you in a minute.
While we're here.
Yeah, that's what we're here for, educational purposes. Well, this is Blarney Castle here. It's cold as hell. It's 3 degrees Celsius, whatever that means. I don't know anything about the Wizard of Oz, but that's what I feel like. I feel like we're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. We're off to see the wizard. Oh, the Tin Man. Just kidding. It's cold. It is way too cold. Oh, go in the off season. It'll be fun, they said. You'll save some money, they said. Well, okay, this is pretty cool, actually. These are what we were talking about. We're getting information about the castle. Sam was reading it to me, but now I guess I gotta read it myself. Let's go.
Let's go. I was reading about the dungeon. Are we going in there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's go in the dungeon. Oh, I don't like that.
Well, I thought we were like actually going somewhere, but whoa, it looks like it.
No, let's get out of here. They're closed because of the bats are in there.
Oh hell yeah, there's bats.
Highly endangered lesser horseshoe bat. Okay.
Damn it.
I don't do bats.
The horseshoe bat's in there.
No, we don't.
Okay, just 10 seconds ago I was like, yeah, it's way too cold. The off season sucks. But that sign says 90 minutes. From the looks of it, oh wow, yeah. 60 minutes, so there's no line.
Ooh, look at these.
Okay, off season goes hard. Ooh, a guillotine. Guillotine. Get in there. How many times are we gonna hit our head?
None. We're short people. Hi.
This is absolutely crazy. How'd they build this? I barely fit across these stairs, and they were just straight up and down.
I'm scared. How'd they put that rope there? I don't like it. Okay, it's okay once you're up here. I'm scared.
Like, he was delighted to see us, gave us a great welcome, and he spoke about immigration, and I spoke about, you know, the Irish and going to London as a kid and getting on the trains. And he got a great kick out of that about the pub gigs to that one to his party piece. And he got a great kick out of that.
Ahoy, mateys!
I don't know why you keep doing that.
I feel like I'm a pirate. So we kissed the Blarney Stone. I really don't get it.
I mean, we read all about it.
And also, I did ask the guys. I wish I would have filmed, but I asked the guys that were working there. I was like, "Do you believe in it?" Whether they were lying or not, they said, "Yeah." I asked them why they're not the luckiest guys in Ireland because they work here. It's really windy. I don't know if you'll be able to hear this. What did you think?
I mean, it's something to do.
I feel the same way. I feel like you only do it because
You only do it because they tell you to do it.
Because other
Or,
people,
like,
yeah.
Maybe just because we didn't know the history of it ahead of time.
That's very weird. You lay on your back and then you're upside down and then you hold the rails.
I mean, that's the only way to reach it. You go first.
Oh, cool. I go first, she said. Oh, Jesus.
All on top of you.
Oh, this is sick. This is where they shot bow and arrows.
Don't love this.
Go ahead, stand on there. So we just left the castle. There's like a lot of different things that you can do in here. We went to the stable yards, we went to the poisonous garden, we're on our way to the jungle. I will say that it is really cool that it's off season and there's like nobody here.
Literally nobody here.
There were signs to wait an hour and a half, and I asked the guys at the stone, I was like, do people really wait an hour and a half? He's like, oh yeah, not crazy at all. So I'm glad that we avoided that. Anyways though, it's like 60 bucks to get in for 2 people, 60 American. I don't know if that it's worth it, but I am kind of cheap. Even though I spent $450 on stupid insurance on a car, it only cost $160 to rent. Euro P car, that's what I call it. Euro car, but with a P, Euro P car. Place pisses me off. They're canceled from my book. Almost $500 on insurance on a car that only cost $160 or $170 a book.
Yeah.
Chaps my ass.
We're done with them.
We're about to drive the car into a wall before we return it because we got full coverage. They said just walk away from it. So no problem. Welcome to the jungle. Women, all right. And a brand new car. Shot her too. She's good at it. We're about to leave, and now we're looking for
Wishing step.
the wishing steps. We gotta walk down them backwards with our eyes closed, and then our wishes come true.
Maybe we came the wrong way.
Well, that way.
Found them.
Now I think you gotta go back up. We both successfully walked down, backwards with our eyes closed, turned around, walked backwards up with our eyes closed.
Well, thinking of a wish.
We both, I think, have a very similar wish. It says it's got a year to come true. That's plenty of time. All right, now we gotta go because I want to get to Cork before it's dark.
Yes, let's go.
We just left that. I think I already said this, but we just left the wishing well. Wishing steps. Now we're walking like dwarfs through this thing, headed to Cork.
Let's go.
We made it to Cork. We got a pretty cool view. I feel like we never make it to hotels or Airbnbs while the sun's up, and we just barely made it. Maybe by 20 minutes. I think this hotel's called River Lee Hotel or something like that.
It's nice.
It is nice. It smells so good in here. It smells like a Vegas hotel. But we're gonna go to dinner.
Let's go to the corner store.
The Corn Store.
Corn store.
It's called Corn Store. One word. C-O-R-N-S-T-O-R-E. Maybe it's Corn's Tour. No, she says. She knows everything.
Yes.
But, yeah, we're gonna go to the Corn Store for dinner.
And then we're gonna have some craft cocktails.
Oh yeah, we get $50 of credit at this hotel. The restaurant is super expensive, so we're gonna go get 2 or 3 craft cocktails instead. So, yeah, here we go. Let's enjoy the night out in Cork. Cork. Sam and I mistakenly ended up at a fancy restaurant. We are way underdressed. She's wearing a sweater and I'm wearing a t-shirt. It says New Balance. Whoops.
No, that's no problem. So it's for 9 o'clock or 8, yes. Even if you want to cancel the delivery, so you can let me know so that I don't board the table for it.
So, Corn Store, you'd think by a name like that it's going to be somewhere really cheap. I mean, it's not like it was crazy expensive, but it was kind of fancy. Everybody there was wearing like shirt and collar, was drinking wine.
That's not true.
The guy next to it, oh, you're high.
The girl next to us, that's what I was trying to tell you. She's wearing a sweater.
Okay, we just had to get in an argument about the fanciness. I saw people in dresses and collared shirt.
I saw a lady in a
Sam,
sweatshirt.
she saw one person in a sweatshirt, and that means that it's not fancy. But I'll let you be the judge. Maybe I'll find a picture.
This is so dark.
Maybe I'll
Look at
find a
this
picture
door right here.
inside. Oh yeah, look at this. Notice anything funny about that place? Looks strikingly familiar.
TK Maxx without TJ.
Yeah, that's TK Maxx. I don't know if it's a knock or maybe in translation to Irish for a J as a K.
That's what I'm wondering.
Not sure if you can see all the people behind us, but I think this is like a big college town because there's just hundreds of kids and they are wild. I don't like it. Let me see if I can show you. I don't know if I was able to show you the skirts or not, but I don't feel like the weird perv that's taking a video of young college girls in skirts, but it is very bizarre. It's got to be probably...
It's 36 degrees. I looked it up.
Okay, I mean, that's pretty cold, and I've heard 2 different Irish guys say, it's fucking cold. It's fucking cold, my...
We have to work
Wait,
on our accent.
yeah, I got the fucking right, but not the mate. That's Australian, what? But they're complaining it's cold. That means it's cold. But we're back to our hotel. We are full belly. Time to have a cocktail and hit the hay, maybe. It is only like 6:15 though. So we just left that cocktail bar. We had free cocktails. And now we're laying on this big couch.
I've been dying to lay on this every time we go by it. It's comfortable.
Not really. It's hard as hell. I don't know how you like it. This is like right outside the elevator.
By the Christmas tree.
So
You see the moon. Sleepy time. Later.
Yeah, this isn't our room, so sleep time later.